Hey my Comfee friends! Welcome back to the Comfee Mug channel. My name is Christian and I have some exciting news for you all. After reaching 10,000 subscribers, now over 13,000, thank you so much, I've been thinking bigger on how I can bring you all higher quality shader, modeling, and animation tutorials so that we can all make something like this in 3D. And to turn this into a reality, I'm going to take an extra week for each future tutorial. It's just a week longer to wait and will definitely be worth it for you all, in my humble opinion, of course. I've already started working on many of your suggestions for tutorials, and I look forward to hearing more of your ideas in the comments below. My next video is going to premiere on August 10th, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. So make sure you enable notifications if you haven't already, because this is gonna be really fun. A special thank you to my patrons who make these tutorials possible, and until August 10th, I hope you have a comfy day, and I'll see you here next time at the Comfee Mug.